children are overstimulating. I'm not gonna hold you, children and men. Well, hello there, friends. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl, ARIANNE STYLLZ. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and choosing to click on this video. And of course, if you're returning, as always, thank you for supporting your girl. I've literally been influenced to do the 5 or 10 things that is absolutely worth the money. And I have I would say 5 things. I'm not gonna even go as far as 10, but I have 5 things that is absolutely worth the money that I want to chit chat about. I think this video is gonna be fun. We can chat a little bit more about my list, we can match lists, you know, all of that good stuff. But I feel like my list is elite and I wanna put some money on the money. You understand? So without any further rambling, let's jump right into my list. Okay, babes, so you already know what we're gonna get into first before we get into the list. The look of the day. All right, so I'm just wearing this brown linen top from Zara, so cute. And then my accessories, the first thing, I'm wearing these earrings that I got from Shop Koi. This ring is from Zara, this bracelet is from Zara, and then I'm wearing this here that is from Ultrahuman. Yes, and that is the first thing that I'm going to be talking about. This ring has literally changed my perspective on a lot of things surrounding my health. Like, this is an Ultrahuman earring, and I know it looks pretty, it works seamlessly into my wardrobe and all of that good thing, but I can't believe I've been talking so much crap about these little devices. When I say, if you've been considering getting yourself one, this is your sign to get it. I've had this ring for over 30 days. So I'm well versed on what I like, what it's done for me, and how it's really changed the way I viewed my health. And I cannot rave about it enough. The first thing that I love and appreciate about this particular ring, especially the Ultrahuman brand, is that I don't need to pay for anything else. Like, I've already invested in the ring itself. I love that I don't have to buy an app, subscribe to anything, pay for anything additionally. I'm able to just put this ring on, allow it to calibrate over the 2 weeks, and then get straight into figuring out what works for me and my body. I use this particularly for tracking my sleep. When I say my sleep has been in shambles over the last couple of years, and as somebody who's always working out, I eat fairly clean, not perfect, but fairly clean. I could not understand why I get in a particular shape and then I would significantly just like plateau and I'll stay there for months. Sleep plays such an important role in your overall health and wellness. And if you have any weight loss or body recomp goals, the first thing you need to take a look at besides your diet and exercise is how much sleep you're getting. I would say the first couple of days in using this ring, it opened up my eyes to so much. I didn't realize that my restfulness, like laying down to sleep, does not mean the same thing as getting adequate rest. It was just so much that this opened up for me, and I absolutely love it. And the biggest thing is that it gives you a score in the morning. So if you are competitive and if you are dedicated to just being better than yesterday, if you got 70 today and it tells you what you need to work on or what you need to do differently, you are definitely going to do that to ensure that you're not only beating the day before, but you are on to this path of getting healthier. Really love that about this sleep thing. The next thing that I love about this ring is that as a caffeine person, coffee to be particular, I would always say, you know, I can only have 1 cup, or tell yourself like after 4 p.m., the standard basic things, I won't have any coffee. And while all of that is good, I love that this ring will tell me, okay, your sleep score was 90, you got adequate rest, you're allowed another cup of coffee. Your caffeine window ends at 5 o'clock. I cannot just jump up and have a coffee at 10 a.m. when the adequate window for me to do that isn't 10 a.m. and I shouldn't be having coffee at 5 p.m. because I didn't have adequate rest the night before. So all of that, while it is not like a hard and fast kind of thing, I think it helps you to just look at your overall wellness from a more intuitive standpoint. It could also tell you about your insulin levels. It could tell you if you're overstimulated, if you're stimulated, if you're relaxed. It counts your steps. Next thing that I appreciate as a fashion girly with this ring compared to any of the other devices on the market, it fits seamlessly into my wardrobe. Like, I cannot stress this enough. I am absolutely not a Power Ranger, so the watches, I would have them wear them to the gym and they would literally just be reserved for the gym because they didn't quite work with the rest of my wardrobe. But I love that this is just a simple gold ring and I can put it on. You can put a band on top of it, below it, and just make it a little bit more glamorous, if you will. But if you just want to keep it simple, you can absolutely do that. So I love my Ultrahuman ring. I love this ring so much because of all the information that it gives. And that isn't even the full breadth of what I'm able to tell from this ring. You know, my ovulation, all of that good stuff. And you know, as a girl, you just want to keep on top of everything. My Ultrahuman ear ring is so fabulous. And if gold is not your vibe, it comes in a plethora of colors. I will link everything in the description box below, but that is the first thing that I would absolutely say is worth the money. The next thing that I would say is absolutely worth the money is to invest in good quality makeup and beauty products. And when I say good quality makeup and beauty products, I'm not simply talking about the expensive things. If you know what your skin condition is, your skin type, you know how you like your makeup to look, all of that good stuff, you should already know what products work for you. Invest in the best of the best when it comes on to that. Like for me, the Nesamaryx will always get my coins because it just solves my personal problems. Like, I am very oily in my T-zone and I don't like to reapply makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to do it. The fact that she has created products that solve that exact problem, yeah, she'll always have a customer in me no matter the price point. Like these two have been elite in my routine, like the blurring balm powder, and I'm specifically talking about the tinted one. This is a skin tint for me. I'm literally wearing this on its own with concealer and a little bronzer, and that's it. I can go hours with this, but you see, when you add on this to it, the combo is out of this world. This is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Mattifying Setting Spray, and I love that this goes on just like a setting spray. But you see, when this dry down, you get that airbrushed, like almost so skin-like finish. Like, it is so fabulous. Love these two together. They're hard to find, they're always sold out, and they're not the cheapest products on the market. But when I say they're worth your money, they're worth your money. And I love the fact that if oily skin is not your ministry, but you are dry, she has product for that. Maybe you like your makeup to be a little bit more glowy and dewy. She has the products for that. I'm telling you, elite. The next thing that is absolutely worth the money to me is having your own coffee machine at home. I cannot tell you how many thousands of dollars I've saved by making my coffee at home in the mornings every single day. What I personally do is to just buy a good quality machine that I like, pods that I like, and work with that. If you like instant coffee and that is your vibe, do that. But whatever is gonna encourage you to make it at home, get that machine. I love my Nespresso machine down. The machine itself, I wouldn't say is the expensive part, because once you make that investment, you can find, you know, coffee machines from $150 upwards. Where you're spending a bulk of your coins is definitely on the pods, but it still doesn't work out to as much as you'd be spending buying coffee every single day. Another added benefit for getting your own machine at home is that you already know what's going in your thing. Like, remember, I know every single thing I get with Signal, them I recall, everything, like everything want to take home to glory. If you can just control what is being added into something that you consume, why not? But the minimum you're spending even for an Americano is $6. And then if you're adding on a specialized kind of milk, yeah. If you're somebody who drinks matcha or coffee every single day, add up all the coffees and matchas that you buy on the street every single day for the entire year, and you would see. No mega kind of pivot here, so because while we're talking about things that's absolutely worth the money, I feel like the biggest thing that we are not talking about is what is actually worth the time. And we already know that's a commodity that we cannot buy, we cannot get back, and it's so scarce. Yeah, time is money, and money is such a scarce commodity. And what I would say is absolutely worth the time is learning how to do your own hair and makeup. It's such an elite life skill, and while it might sound so vain, like imagine you going to a wedding or you're going to a graduation, and every single time you're going to a special occasion event, you're spending $150. Not only that, but you're working on somebody else's time. You probably have to travel there. You probably have to do your makeup from 5 hours before just to fit in a schedule. Yeah, count me out. I will take my time, go through that ugly phase, go through that up and down phase in learning how to do it on my own, because I'll get there. Practice makes perfect. When I just cut my hair, I didn't really know exactly what worked for me, how to do it, or anything like that. I took my time though, and I went through the motions, and over time, my pixie has become the easiest hairstyle to maintain. When I say I had in that curly hair the other day, and it frustrates the hell out of me because I like this hot. Every day, if I get up and do this or whatever, you can curl your hair once, mold it, do a good set, ensure you get a good cut. Just learn how to fix the things for yourself and you are good to go. The same goes for makeup. Like, you can call me at any point in the day and say, you want to go here and there? I don't have to worry about my hair and I don't have to worry about my makeup. I'm always ready, so I don't have to get ready. You know what I mean? I stay ready. The next thing that is absolutely worth the time is learning first aid and learning how to swim. And when I say I'm struggling at both departments, but I'm dedicated to actually seeing it through, no joke. I have a child, and at least I would like to carry out life-saving measures before I get to the, the hospital or anything like that. That is important. Like, you can literally be eating sausage or steak and your 3 points flash before your eyes. Like, it's that simple. You know what I mean? And there's just a small window between being here and being called to glory. And sometimes that little window is just learning first aid. The same goes for swimming. Like, as a Black person who came from the islands, it's actually ridiculous that I don't know how to swim. And I had all the means to learn how to swim. I went to a school that actually had swimming on the curriculum, and every day I find an excuse. Every single day. And if I could do it all over again, I would learn. It's such an elite life skill. It's not just to go to the beach and float around and whatnot. Again, I have a child, and kids do the darndest things, and I would love to be able to help. I would love to be able to actually save myself. You know what I mean? So I'm dedicated to learning those two, even though I'm struggling. And that is something that I would recommend. Investing both the time and the money in, because getting lessons for swimming is not cheap. First aid, you can go to different places and you will learn how to do it. But yeah, absolutely worth it. I'm just gonna throw a 6-1 in there just for and giggles. You know what I mean? Spending the time and the money to curate a wardrobe that is simply for you. Again, I talk about being able to just get up and go, being able to be invited out and not have to scramble around. Oh, me go Zara, me go H&M. Oh, there's nothing at Zara, there's nothing at H&M. If you curate a wardrobe that is so much like you, you will have something for any occasion. But at first, you need to spend the time to learn what is actually for you. And honestly, that will not come from somebody telling you, this is how you discover your personal style. This is how you discover whatever. Because we are subconsciously taking in what someone else is pouring onto us. You need to learn what you like to wear, like what make you feel good. And don't be ashamed in picking the same thing. That's what you should do. So you will always stay ready, so you don't have to get ready. You know what I mean? So curating a wardrobe that is simply for you, learning the silhouettes, learning the cuts, learning the colors, learning what makes you feel good. You need to do that. In the beginning, it's gonna cost you a few coins, and it's also gonna take up some time. It's gonna take some learning, but in the end, it not only allows you to be able to just move about freely, but it builds your confidence, and I'm not gonna lie. So yes, those are my 5 or 6 things that I would absolutely say is worth the money. And I took it a step further to even mention things that is worth the time. And I'm not gonna lie, these things are non-negotiable for me. And even though the Ultrahuman Ring is pretty new for me, I cannot imagine not having this. Like, getting up in the morning, one of the first things that I do is to check what my sleep score is. And it has significantly changed my outlook, the way I operate, how I'm disciplined when it comes down to going to bed and getting up in the mornings. It actually even helps me to be less of a mean mom, because when you are tired and you have a child that can be a little bit overstimulated, children are overstimulating. I'm not gonna hold you, children and men. but getting adequate rest and just being relaxed has significantly helped that. So I will link this in the description box below, as well as some of my makeup products, and you know, just to throw a few favorite pieces that I'm liking. If you're looking to build your wardrobe, I will have everything linked in the description box below. Let me know in the comments if we have anything in common, or if you would add anything to my list, if I should extend it to 10, you know what I mean? So yeah, I would love for us to chit chat in the comments. Be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up because I'm sure you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.